Welcome to another episode and video on my Arduino MegaADK controlling electronics as well as some fischertechnik, mechatronics, and in this series I am trying to reconstruct whatever can go right. Because in the former series that, I'm numbering the episodes, but in this actually new series I'm trying to correct things. Everything went wrong, and in this version I am trying to make not too many mistakes, but last time I did. And hopefully I won't do that this time, but who knows. Anyway, RC circuit, which works. Then, some wires that go somewhere, but the question is where. NTC that I'm currently not controlling. The question is, does this switch work? And yes, it does, considering the LED, but it is complete vice versa, so I probably have to switch the wires here. Then this one works, this one works. This one, I have no idea right now. I put the wire from this voltmeter in another socket, and then I noticed that I had not programmed it at all. Not good. So now I have a good connection. And I should be able to show that. And before I do, I have to make sure that the connection to the computer is correct. Now it should be, so I am going to connect MegaADK, and port is automatically selected by now, and then selecting the serial monitor with this torque screwdriver, and by turning it I actually see the values change, but as I showed last time, it shows different values, and apart from that, this is supposed to run. And in varied speed, and that is not happening. So I need to check on that, and then slowly we get to find why. Another thing is happening, maybe that the ports are actually having their numbers instead of the values, and that's alright. Anyway, time to check out with a VNC, or no, not VNC, screencast, and see whatever I can find out. So let's go there. Alright, so what has happened last time? I rewired, and I'm not quite sure if I actually put that here. No, because it now says A6 and that should be A7. That's just that one. And that's the only pot meter I have, so no confusion possible. Save. Alright, so the rest is, well, it's there, but how? That's a big question. Anyway, what is very different is this. A7 1 and A7 2. 215 versus 207. How is that possible? Alright, then we go here. So, well, A7 is just one port, but what I have done is A71 right here. See the cursor. Analog read, and this is so what here is printed is a straight read from this pin. And pin 2 is analog A7, analog read A7. So, and that is really weird because this is A7, which is input. And looking at the declaration, analog in pin A7 is A7. So whatever is this. So it really, unless I really misinterpret and misunderstand things, which can happen, I am reading both, so the original pin number, and I read the declared variable, and they give different values. So let's do that again. Again with this torque screwdriver. This is 217, 250, yeah, well, I can't turn it any further. So let's go back. Oh, and it would be nice if I could measure it. So let's take probe number 4. And put it somewhere here. Somewhere. And then of course I have to add that one. So this is probe number 4. And yes, then the very big question is, what is the result? Well, screwdriver and turn it. Maximum, minimum. Now it's minimum, obviously, and it says 200. And 208. Yeah, and that is a bit tricky, so I need to be very careful with this. Oh, right, last time I supported it with the battery pack right under it, so it can't yank out this one. Alright, let's go here again. So once again, obviously minimum, and it goes to 213 and 205 maximum. Well, needless to say, this makes no sense. If it says the maximum, the mechatronics right there is not having any different value. So, what to do about it? That's a very good question, and I can't answer it right now. That's the problem. If I look at that's another point. If I look at the yellow signal, which is the output from this one to the motor, that should change, of course. And that is not changing. Alright, where does it come from? It comes from 4. And 4 says 4. Analog out pin 4. Right here. Can I do it the same way? Oh wait, am I doing this correctly? I don't think so. I think I'm missing something, and that could be, or should be, it's analog out, so right, what am I doing here? Analog out pin, yes. So I am writing to analog out pin for this signal, which is this signal. So that's a bit strange. How about okay, I'm doing something different. Again, 1, and then 2, and here I say 4. So this is declared, and this is port. So this is declared, and here it actually just writes the port. Okay, let's see. That was quick. I saw a signal change, but okay. Oh, look at this. Both is 4. But let's now see. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. What can I do? Which pins are still open for pulse width modulation? Well, the whole rest of it. So I am going to move pin 4 to pin, yeah, whichever, pin 10. Let's do that. Pin 10. 4 will go to 10. Alright, I have now changed this blue wire from here to here, 4 to 12. I just have to adjust schematics. 4 becomes, for now, 12. And then of course I will have to change the software. So to unlock out, and that will be 12 and 12. Then obviously oh wait, here as well, 12 being output. Then alright, so programming complete. Upload. Uh-oh. Pin 12 is 12. What about using 12 anyway? Alright. Cancelling it. That means that I can't use that one, but I can use 12. Go. It's still 12. Okay, let's see whatever happens here and now. Oh, I noticed something different. Wait. Yellow signal has gone completely flat, so that's not alright. Where is 12? Let me see. Yeah, the wire is in 12. There's no doubt. But where's my pulse width modulation signal? Where is my pulse width modulated signal? It's gone nowhere. If I want to send the value to that one, oh right, I have to, yeah, my mistake. I have to do it exactly the same way. I forgot something to do something. Not good. So I'm putting this here and I'm saying, alright, this will be 12. I'm setting print line and that is not good. So alright, this should do it. Should do it. But does, oh yeah, there it is. But will this have any effect? Will this have any effect on the signal? Answer: none at all. Which is very strange, by the way. So let me change. Yeah, that is alright, but I need the source. Let's check, set that to 4. And then still some problems. Why is this not going correct? It's wired the way it should be. Then again, something is off. And I will for now not assume that the pot meter has gone. Because that is as highly unlikely as that a resistor like this will go broken. It may go up in flames, but that's all. That's why it's called a static component. Alright, riddles. Riddles I don't want to have. And for now this LED doesn't do anything because this wire has come off. And where the pin has gone I don't know. So too bad for that one. But so be it for now. Then the second one, of course, is this switch, rewiring the switch. So when I take the switch and press it, you can see the value change on the oscilloscope and the LED. How does that go? It's 2 wires only, so simple physics says change the wires. And that is actually not making sense. It's a it has 3 things, so this doesn't make sense. I should change these ones. So let me do it like this. trash is on, and if I go this way, nothing works. That's logical. So active is off, and moving this way here, active is on, active is on, press is on, and this is press is off. Yeah, well, that makes sense, but still it is out of the ordinary, because that was not what I intended to do. What I intended to do was either switch on the motor or switch on the LED. Well, I don't have the motor hooked up right now, but that is still an experiment which is pending. So what next? And I'm afraid that's it for now. So, what did I accomplish? Not terribly much. Just checking all things, trying to fix things, and in the process, well, making some programming mistakes, correcting them, and wondering why this doesn't work. Which is as easy as it gets with electronics. You turn it up and you lower the voltage, you turn it down, or you turn it up and crank up the voltage, you turn it down and you crank down the voltage, and that should be read right here, and then this should go faster or slower, and that's not happening. The only thing that really happens and keeps working is this one here, but that's logical. Anyway, still riddles, still to be solved. One thing that is reversed now, but without the motor I can't do that. I forgot to hook it up. Anyway, that's live. So lots more in store. But that's up next. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you like. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like, leave a comment. By the way, you can find my Twitter in the description box below the video. You can also find me on Instagram. On both, please like and leave a comment. Please retweet the Twitter. Instagram account also in the description box right under the video. And well, I would appreciate it if you made a small donation as appreciation of my video. You can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned, either on my website or on my website videos, depending on the pledge you make. And all voluntary, but highly appreciated. And this is going to be continued. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.